All right, here we are at 5541 London Road here in Winter Park, Florida, 32792. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,899 square foot home. Currently listed on the market for $468,000. This has got a 2009 roof, 2017 HVAC, replumbed in 2009, garage door, laminate, and interior flooring were done in 2014. Interior paint 2025, updated vinyl windows, sliding doors 2015 for the most part. All right, there we go. So we are here in the Winter Park Pines community. This is right off of Fitzooth and London. So nice little corner lot. Currently, it is zoned for Aloma, Glenridge, and Winter Park High School. Nice size lot. So it's almost like a pie. So if you look right here between these two neighbors, you're probably to the edge of that fence coming down this way. So that whole backyard should be a part of this property. It is 0.40 of an acre. So it's going to open up a lot in the back, I would assume. Let's go ahead and walk into it. You have this nice little breezeway as you walk in. To your right is the garage. So the garage is separated from the main house. 2-car garage. You see, it's the rafters. It is a very nice large garage too. As you see, it opens up behind where the washer and dryer are. You can see the CPVC plumbing throughout. Those are both original windows over there in the garage. Come through back into the breezeway. Your backyard starts to open up that way. Obviously, you can see they've had it mulched. You've got some wood rot, your typical stuff that you would think. This almost looks like this was screened in at one point because you do have sliders right there. But obviously the sliders are gone. Nice double door as you walk in. Nice higher ceiling as you go through. This is all the original terrazzo. The smell inside is very strong of, I think the only thing I can relate it to is that cleaner that's called like the Fabuloso. That's whew. Here's your traditional dining. Right here into the living space. So I'd be curious if this was structurally needed here in the home. All it is a closet. I do see an air intake over there. These are new double pane windows, but it is showing just how massive this backyard is. It's interesting. So you can see it's got a little bit of a thick wall with the air intake right here. Again, pretty original. Oh, there's our culprit for the smell. Little Eden nook right here. Pocket door between these two. Into very original kitchen. Again, this light, everything, it's all empty space above us. That's a newer window. Here into your living space. This is the front of the house when you're walking up, garage right there. And then you've got the sliders that look newer as well. Wood burning fireplace. So a little bit of a galley style kitchen there, but could definitely be opened. Nice hardwood doors. Here's bedroom number 1. A little wood paneling there. Again, new windows here as well. Pretty standard closet. Another pretty standard closet right outside here in the hallway. We've got another closet. Linen closet, nice and deep. Should be your HVAC, which it is. Nice carrier system right there. And then again, we were just in that bedroom. We're now walking down into this bedroom. And that closet is right behind here. Here's the hall bath. Again, right here to our left is that closet for the room that we were just in. And again, cracking, caulking, coming apart right there. This could be as easy as leaving the tub and doing a whole new surround, but obviously you can see there's some deterioration there. Again, nothing crazy that you haven't seen before as long as water's not getting in, but all that would come through an inspection. Another one of the smelly things. That's definitely it. Too much on the smell. All right, here we come in. You can see they've ripped up this tile. You can see the squares where it was, but they did not rip this up. They're trying to show the terrazzo that's here in the house. This is all the glue that is down on that. Here is your primary closet. Very large, no doors on that. We flip over here to the master bath. Again, taking a step back in time a little bit. Nice makeup counter. Nice large shower. And what I'm wondering is, I wonder if that's the only way to get to the backyard. So let me walk through the house one more time. I don't think I saw another door going to that outside. Yeah, so a little bit of a funky exit to that. Here's the front door. We'll walk back out that way, but that seems to be the only way, other than that slider in the master, to get to the backyard, which is not terrible. But this is a massive. Did I say massive yet? Massive backyard. So, still walking. There's the living room. There's that master slider. Goes all the way back to that corner. All the way back around to the side of the house. So again, the assumption is you come to where the corner of somebody else's property is, and I bet you your property line probably goes right there. So theoretically, you could fence if you wanted to this point. I mean, this whole backyard could be open for it. So there you have it. 541 London.